Are you one of those locators that turn your gain up all the way? If you are, you're probably marking things wrong. Let me show you why. Over here, we're connecting to this light pole. Ooh, it's already so noisy. Let's turn you down. We're connected to our light pole. We're grounded correctly. We're getting an 8. We're on an 8 kilohertz, which is pretty high actually, and 25 milliamps. Now, over here, I'm going to turn that off for a minute. We need to locate that light pole line across this driveway here. Problem is, we've got a big transformer right there and a big vault, and you can see by all these concrete cuts that we have main power here, we have main power here. I've already marked some main power here, and then we have our lights here. So I'm already on a high frequency, but I want to show you oftentimes we can eliminate signals and not even touch the frequency. It has to do with our gain. What is gain? Gain is the sensitivity of our receiver. That's what we're turning up. I like to think of it as a microphone, and I can either try to zoom in on one person, on the person speaking directly in front of it by keeping my gain low, or I can turn it up and turn it up and turn it up until I'm hearing everybody in the room, and honestly really making it confusing and hard to hear the person right in front of the microphone. So it's a sensitivity level. Let me show that to you. So if I was to turn on my machine, and I'm going to go ahead and let you see the decimal level here, and I crank it up all the way. Now we're going to watch this, and you don't even need to walk the machine, just listen. We're maxed out. Look how far away I am from the trench. Look at this. It's still going. There's one trench. There's 2 trenches. It's still going. There's 3 trenches. Oh, good, we stopped. Oh, back again. And there's the light pole trench. Oh, there's more. I'm assuming by hearing that annoying sound, you could tell, holy cow. So that is what gain does. When you are turned up all the way, your sensitivity level is just maxed out. Let's turn it down a little bit and try that again and see what happens. So this time, we're going to go back here, and we're going to turn it to an 80. I'll show them an 80. There's our decimal reading right there, okay? And we're going to start walking again, and let's see what happens. That 80 is a lot more reasonable to start with. So we've already eliminated one trench. We are getting a signal on this, barely. You can come on over here and show them this. See, I'm getting a signal. My null is my arrow. Having a hard time getting the peak and the null to come together. Hey, go back out to a wide angle. We'll come over this one. Very much same thing. Although if you look at the depth there is very shallow. Okay. Same thing, hard to center. Now we go over where we know our light pole is. Wow, look at that. It's maxed out. So this is the point that I would turn it down to about halfway. And you could see my nulls coming together, my peaks coming together, Metrotech, I love it, is saying blue. That's good to mark. Now that we're at 70, right? Let's continue on here. Remember, it went off over here too. Okay, so now what we've done is we have found our strongest signal and we've turned our gain down to 70. Let's walk it one more time. There's our light pull. So, without touching the frequency, without changing our connection point, we found the right path and we eliminated 4 signals by doing what? By marking the cleanest signal, the clearest signal. Do not, when you hook up to a utility and you're doing your initial sweep, turn that gain up really high or you're going to mark the wrong thing. Once you have found your utility, as you're continuing down the path from light pole to light pole, you could show them all the light poles down there. And then you can come back here. If you wanted to turn your gain up a little bit and walk over and see if you're picking up that main power trench still, that's a sensible use. But you need to mark the clearest signal, and you do that by controlling your gain. Remember, it's like a microphone. You want to get the person in front of it speaking. You don't want to turn it up so loud that you're drowning them out. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.